Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Sagittarius from 1st to the 7th of November. So watch this video if you're a Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram where I keep on sharing information related to law of attraction, manifestation, healing crystals like these, I have a crystal store. So if you want information, the link is in the description. So now let's see messages for Sagittarius. First, we are going to take a general message for you, and then we are going to take love messages for you, all right? So give me message for Sagittarius from 1st to 7th of November 2021. So we have Pride. All right. That's nice. So some of you practicing some self-love. You're starting to feel your self-worth. You're recognizing, your own potential, and you're just being proud of yourself. All right. So this is pride. This is not ego. This is more about you feeling very proud of yourself. You're happy about yourself. You're recognizing what you're capable of, and you're doing it. All right. And adversity. So that is, it's like you might have gone through a recent adversity, like something just came down crushing and things did not work like the way you wanted them to be. But with your own, inner strength, with your zeal to succeed, with your willpower to overcome things, I see that you have come to terms with the situation, and now you're just practicing some self-worth. So recently you might have gone through some sort of adversity, but your self-love, recognizing your own self-worth is kind of saving you. And if you are still in this adversity mode, then that's your advice, that practice self-love, practice appreciating your own self. Like, you cannot wait for people to come and save you. You have to save your own self, all right? So you need to understand that. So yeah, even if you're like going through some sort of adversity, know that there's going to be a moment where things are going to fall back in place, but all of this is going to happen only when you feel comfortable in your own self. Like, if you try to wait for somebody like a magic fairy coming in and saving you, that's never going to happen. You have to be your own magic fairy, right? So remind yourself that you are capable, you are enough, you are everything that you need. All right, now let's see present energy for Sagittarius. What is the present energy for Sagittarius? 8 of Cups. Exactly, isn't it? I really love this thing about tarot. Like I was talking in the Cancer video that I just uploaded, like tarot is so real. This is another deck, this is another deck, but it's the same message. Adversity and 8 of Cups with the 7 of Cups at the bottom of the deck shows to me that yes, there was an adverse situation in your life that you had to walk away from. So there was definitely something which was bothering you a lot. Somebody was not giving you clarity. When it comes to a love situation, I feel somebody was just playing blame games with you. Like, this person would do something, but then they will just point out all the blame on you. Or maybe somebody was just not appreciating whatever you did was never enough for this person. And now you're like, I can't just stay here and let this person ruin my self-respect. I need to be proud of myself. And that's exactly the pride card, where you're just basically saving your self-worth, your self-respect, and you're walking away with your self-respect. You're like, I can't lose my self-respect over this person in this situation. If this person do not recognize my effort, I'm gonna walk off. So that's exactly what you're doing. Whatever is not serving you, you're leaving it behind. Anybody who confuses you, you're leaving them behind. You're like, if you're confused between me and something else, then just let me just clear the situation for you so that there is no confusion. I will reduce myself as an option so that you don't have confusion. So that's exactly what you're doing. So yeah, someone who was wasting your time, somebody who was not appreciating, somebody who was just trying to play blame games with you, you're just leaving them behind and you're walking away. And this is like difficult for you, of course. 8 of Cups is not a very good energy. It's more of like you're doing something which you don't want to do, but then you have to do it for the sake of doing it. You're just trying to do it for your self-respect. All right, it's painful, but you're doing it anyway. You're just gathering the courage to face the adversity, right? I accept the challenge. I accept that challenges are the best way to learn. So that's exactly this. You're accepting that challenges are there to make you learn things, and you're walking away. So now let's see what is coming in this situation of Sagittarius and their person. King of Wands. This person is very egotistical, Sagittarius. Somebody thinks really high of them. So the connection with them is all good till the time it is all fun and games. But the moment you talk about commitment in long term, that's something which this person does not believe. And they are quite a taker as well. So somebody was just trying to take from you, and they were not giving anything in return, all right? So that's why this connection became very one-sided. This person has passion for you. I'm not saying they don't have passion. They still have passion for you. Some of you, this person likes you more sexually. You like them emotionally. They like you sexually. That's why you both are not able to get on the same page. So that could be a thing. For others of you, I just feel that this person is just all about taking and not giving anything. However, this person do recognizes that you make them very happy. So you are some sort of wish fulfillment for them. But they don't act right. That's the problem, right? I also feel that you were hoping for something to happen, and it's going to happen the same way. That's the incoming influence. So a wish of yours is going to be granted. I don't know what are you wishing for, but a wish of yours is going to be granted, which is going to give you a lot of emotional stability and emotional fulfillment. So let's see, what is Sagittarius trying to achieve with this person? Page of Wands. You want that this connection should turn around and you should have like a new beginning, or you just want a new beginning in love life. So some of you, maybe you're just trying to walk this person behind, like you're just trying to walk away from them, and you're just trying to have a new beginning in life. Some of you, you're trying to find the missing passion in your life. So you feel that this situation has quite drained you, and now you're just trying to find that lost passion that you used to have in your life. Some of you, you're just waiting for a communication or waiting for an idea that you can use in this connection to make it turn around. So yeah, you are still hopeful. You're not letting yourself down. Like you don't want to beg this person or plead this person, but if something can save this connection, you'll be open to that. So that's what you feel. But you want them to make a move. Okay, so what does my Sagittarius do not know about the situation? King of Swords. What you don't know about the situation is that this person is going to give you cold shoulder for some more time. You're dealing with somebody who is more about a head over heart kind of a person. So they use logic a lot, but when it comes to emotion, they are not very emotional. Sagittarius, the problem is you are emotional, they are not as emotional. So this person is going to give you cold shoulder, cold treatment. This person is going to test your patience. Are they cheating? No. Will they test your patience? Yes. Three of Swords. No, they are cheating. I'm so sorry. I'm taking it back. So just when I said that, are they cheating? I said no, but then we have the Three of Swords. Some of you, there's a third party situation here. Oh my god, something is confusing the hell out of you, and something is forcing you to walk away. Some of you, maybe there's a third party situation, or there's like a lot of bad mouthing happening. So maybe you say something, then they say something, and that's just further worsening the connection. You just feel that this person needs to level up. Like this person needs to grow up before you can accept them. So you're kind of done with their bullshit. You're like, this person needs to grow. Some of you, you were just, the problem is that you were giving into this connection a lot. Sometimes when you overdo things, it backfires. So that actually happened here. You were just trying to save somebody. You can't save anybody. If you try to save people, people will just walk over you and they will save themselves and you will drown. Always remember that. All right. So let us see, how is this person viewing Sagittarius now? Judgment. They're hoping for a reconciliation with you. Some of you dealing with a Cancer. This person is hoping to basically get back to the same scenario with you, like how you used to have before this split. Some of you, they just hope that you don't give them divorce. They're just trying to work this connection out with you. Some of you, this person judges you a lot, and that's one problem as well. Like they are constantly passing comments, and that sometimes become very unbearable. And this person is very sneaky as fuck at the same time, Sagittarius. You're dealing with somebody who's quite a player. This person is a player. I'm sorry to tell you that. Narcissistic piece of shit. So what is Sagittarius hoping? King of Cups. You're hoping for emotions. Some of you, you're just trying to start looking for other options in love. Whether you will pursue them or not is a different thing, but you will look your options. Some of you, you do have options in love. There's like a water sign that's very interested in you. You are going to test your options. So you're not going to sit idle and wait. So that's again the page of one energy. You are like, if this person comes to me, good, but if not, then I'm going to go out and meet people who are interested in me, and I'm going to put myself out. You know, that's the kind of energy that you have. What is the fear of Sagittarius in this situation? Knight of Pentacles. You have a fear that things are going to go very slowly. You are fearing that this person is going to come in towards you, but they're going to come in really slowly. And you just want things to happen at a faster pace, and this person is taking a lot of time. So some of you have a fear that this person might never come, or maybe they will come after the situation goes out of hand. Like you want them to come towards you very, very quickly, but they are just a snail taking their own sweet time, and that's kind of pissing you off as well. There's like a lot of delay happening here, which is testing your patience. What's going to be the outcome here between Sagittarius and their person? What's going to be the outcome? Two of Cups. You guys are going to get back together. You guys are going to get back together. What the hell was that? You walking away from them and then walking straight into them. What is this person's next action towards Sagittarius? Eight of Pentacles. They want to work. Oh my god, this bitch here wants to work hard for you. Somebody is realizing that they cannot have you with the fuckboy, fuckgirl attitude, and they need to change. Somebody is going to work hard for this connection. They're going to do it a little slowly though. But yeah, there's an apology coming into you. Do you know there's an apology coming in towards you? I see somebody's coming in with an apology. This bitch right here is going to apologize to you. That's my prediction. And that's going to happen in next 8 weeks or 8 months. All right. And that's exactly what you fear, that this person is going to be very slow. They are slow. They are definitely slow. Your person is a slow-paced person. They're basically a snail that you're dating. So, any advice for Sagittarius? And you know, your advice again is that meanwhile, when you're doing, like when this person is taking all of this time, you don't wait for this person, right? This person is not going anywhere. They will come to you, but they're going to come with delay. But meanwhile, you focus on your own growth. Take care of your self-respect. Don't beg anybody. Don't plead anybody, all right? You're a Sagittarius, you won't do it. But even if you are thinking, remember you're a Sagittarius, you should not do it. Any advice? Ace of Wands. See, some of you, also the Tower card and the Ace of Wands. Some of you, there's like a new beginning waiting for you. Some of you, like if this person is toxic and you don't want them, then that's a different story. Then you have a new beginning that's coming towards you. You also have some sort of new blessings coming into your life, but you might just ignore them, or you might just be so consumed in this person and waiting for an apology that you might just fuck your opportunities to have new things in life. So don't do that. If a new opportunity comes into your life, be it career, be it finance, or be it whatever, grab the opportunity, right? So some of you, you really need to focus on the new opportunities that are happening in your life. Also, you need to take some initiative in something. I see that you have a plan on your mind, but you're not taking initiative. You're just self-sabotaging your growth, thinking too much, overthinking. It's like you're overthinking to the point where you're not even taking an initiative. So stop doing that. Also, have faith in yourself and have faith in the divine plan. That's exactly this. I love myself and see myself in everyone, and I accept the adversity. So accept the challenges and still take initiatives and go after your goals. All right, that's exactly your message. Some of you, you need to take advice from people. So maybe just take advice from whoever you believe in. Give me message. Okay, so we have two very quickly. New love and soulmate and trust. Exactly. Isn't this the same thing? Some of you, you really need to trust that love is going to come back, or love is going to find you. Some of you, there's a new love coming in. Some of you, there's a soulmate returning. Like a soulmate is returning like a new love. And this is Two of Cups is actually a soulmate card. Somebody is a soulmate here. That's why there's like a lot of back and forth happening. However, I see you guys are going to get together. So chill, baby. Let's see what is this person trying to say to Sagittarius. For singles, there's new love coming in, all right? I don't feel connected to you. So right now, this person, as I said, with the King of Swords, this person is not going to act like the way you want them. This person might say you think like, I don't feel connected to you. I don't think this is working. But they want to work this with you. What do we do now? And see, they're like, what do we do now? How do we make this work? I'm sorry for being selfish. That's exactly, we make a good couple. See, I told you. So this person is just acting like a mean bitch to you. They might tell you things that might hurt you. Don't pay attention. Just focus on your self-respect and move. This person is going to, this bitch is going to come back to you when you move, all right? And this person is going to apologize, as I said. An apology is coming, and I'm telling you. And this person thinks that you guys make a good couple. What a kind of jerk. Anyway, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.